Welcome the our channel. Today we how to connect Telegram bot to Airtable with Zapier. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Telegram bot to Airtable using Zapier, start by opening your web browser. Visit the Zapier website and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button. Search for Telegram in the Trigger app search bar. Select Telegram from the search results. Next, choose the specific trigger event you want from the options provided. Click on Continue to proceed. Connect your Telegram account by clicking on the Sign in to Telegram button. Follow the prompts to authorize Zapier to access your Telegram bot. Once connected, select the specific Telegram bot you want to use. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. Now, it's time to set up your Action app. Search for Airtable in the Action app search bar. Select Airtable from the search results. Choose the action you want to take in Airtable, such as Create Record. Click Continue to move forward. Connect your Airtable account by clicking on the Sign in to Airtable button. You'll need to provide your Airtable API key for this step. Find your API key in your Airtable account settings and paste it into Zapier. Once connected, select the specific Airtable base and table where you want to send the data. Map the fields from your Telegram bot to the corresponding fields in Airtable. Click Continue to review your Zap setup. Test your Zap to ensure everything is working properly. If the test is successful, click on Turn on Zap to activate your workflow. Now your Telegram bot is connected to Airtable with Zapier. You're all set to automate your tasks seamlessly. Check back frequently to ensure everything runs smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.